Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to set up product variation swatches. So let's start. Make sure your WooCommerce plugin is installed on your website. Click on products option on left navigation and select attributes option. We will create one color attribute so that we can select color option while buying any product. In this color attribute, I will add some colors like blue, gray and green. So three colors we added, but these are just text. If we want to differentiate with actual colors, then we have to install one plugin for this thing. Click on plugins and select add new plugin option. Here we will search variation swatches. Scroll down and you will see WC Boost Variation Swatches plugin. This is free plugin. Through this plugin, you can add colors like this on product. Manually, you can select the actual color and assign it to your color attribute. Same as it is, if you select swatches type image, then you can assign image to any attribute. And the third type is label. If you select swatches type label, then all the attributes first letter will be the label of attribute. Click install now button to install this plugin. Activate it. Now again go to products and select attribute option. We have to select the attribute type here, for example color, image, label or button. Let me show you how. I have created color attribute already in Start, just editing it. I am selecting its type as color. And clicking on update button. Going back to attribute option, here we will click on configure terms option. I will edit blue color. We will select the swatches color for this blue term. This data will be used for variation swatches of variable products. Selecting gray color also and updating it. Same as it is for green color also, selecting swatches color and updating it. Now let's create one product and give you live example. I am giving a t-shirt as product name and giving some description also. Scroll down and click on variable product. Here I will select attribute option on left navigation. You can see the color attribute is here in dropdown that we created earlier in attributes tab. We will select the attribute here and click on add button. Now we will select the colors that we want to show for this product. For example, I have only two color option for this t-shirt. I will select blue and gray option here and check used for variations option. These colors will be used as t-shirt variations. Now we will go to variations tab on left sidebar. Here we will select create variations from all attributes. This selection will automatically create different variations of attributes like color or sizes. Click OK button. You can see two variations added because we selected only two attributes, which is blue and gray color. Click on first variation, which is blue color. In blue color, I am giving $220 as regular price and uploading blue color t-shirt image, so that if you select the blue color swatch, it will show you this image. Same as it is, I am uploading gray color t-shirt image and giving $200 as regular price. Click Save Changes button. Selecting some categories for t-shirt. Select product featured image. This image will be the default image of product. Click Publish button. Let's view the product on website. You can see we have two color variations, blue and gray. If you select blue color, it will change the image also. Same as it is, if you want to add one more color variation, just go back to product, select third attribute, which is green, and save the attribute. In variations tab, again I will select create variations from all attributes option. It will create green variation also. Select the image for green variation. Add its prices too. Earlier we have two options, blue and gray. We will refresh this website. So you can see green option is also added here. I am selecting this green option. It changed the image also. Same as it is, if we select blue option, it will change its image also. I hope this video will help you to set up swatches variations in WooCommerce. If you have any query, write down into comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Click subscribe button for latest updates.